Snowmen All Year by Caralyn Buehner. Pictures by Mark Buehner. I love to build a snowman on freezing winter days, but when the sun is bright and warm, my snowman melts away. There's nothing but a puddle when my snowman disappears. If only he were magic and could stay with me all year. I teach him how to fly a kite high above the trees. Then we would dig for pirate gold or sail the 7 seas.
Ho-ho, mateys! Everybody on the ship! Come on, me mateys! Let's find the island and find that treasure!
I know that he would love to see the tigers at the zoo. And at my birthday party, we would celebrate his too. Happy birthday! We'd go on all the wildest rides at the amusement park. But best of all would be the fireworks lighting up the dark. On stormy evenings, I would play my favorite games with him. On sunny days, I teach him how to dive and how to swim. On summer evenings in the dark, we'd chase some fireflies. Or sleep out in the quiet woods beneath the starry skies. At the beach, we'd play all day. He'd get very sandy. We'd trick or treat on Halloween and bring home lots of candy.
Trick or treat!
Maybe this is magic snow that will not disappear, and the snowman will be the one to stay with me all year. The end. Thank you for listening to me read Snowmen All Year